In this video, we'll tell you all you need to know before posting a video on LinkedIn. We'll answer the most common questions regarding LinkedIn video posts as well as video ads and help you make the most out of your videos and reach a larger audience. First, let's talk about which technical details you need to keep in mind when making your LinkedIn video. What is the maximum LinkedIn video length and size? When it comes to LinkedIn video posts, the platform allows for lengths anywhere between 3 seconds and 15 minutes. The maximum video file size for posts is also 5 GB. For LinkedIn video ads, the maximum file size is 500 MB and you're free to upload videos as short as 3 seconds or as long as 30 minutes. However, it's probably a better idea to keep your video ads under 1 minute if you want to keep people engaged. What formats and codecs does LinkedIn support? LinkedIn accepts a lot of video formats when it comes to posting videos. The most commonly used ones like MP4, ASF, and MPEG-4 are all supported, along with VP8, VP9, MKV, and WMV, making it highly compatible with most types of videos. For ads, LinkedIn restricts users to only using the MP4 format, so you're better off using a video platform that can automatically re-encode or convert videos to MP4 like the one we're about to show you. What is the best aspect ratio for LinkedIn? You can use pretty much any aspect ratio for your LinkedIn videos. The platform supports both landscape and square aspect ratios. Vertical 9:16 videos are also possible, but keep in mind that the platform will add padding to the size of your videos in order to maintain the viewing experience. When it comes to resolution, the official LinkedIn video recommendations state that it can accept anything from 265 by 144 videos up to 4096 to 2304. If you want our opinion on it, a 4:5 aspect ratio is probably the best. It's optimized for a good mobile viewing experience while still taking up enough of the screen even on desktop. When it comes to LinkedIn video ads, you have a bit less flexibility. The platform supports vertical, landscape, and square video ads, all of which can only go up to Full HD resolution. I'll put them all up on the screen so you can pause to take a better look or take a screenshot and review them later. What are the specs for LinkedIn video ads? We've already answered this throughout the video, but just to reiterate, LinkedIn video ads have similar requirements to native videos, except they allow for up to 30 minutes of content, giving you a lot more apparent flexibility. However, it's still best to keep your ads under a minute long in order to maximize engagement. When it comes to ads, short and impactful content is what really makes a difference. How do I optimize my LinkedIn video for mobile? LinkedIn's mobile user base is growing rapidly by the day, so optimizing your video content for mobile is essential. To make sure your content looks great on smaller screens, you should keep your message concise and engaging, especially in the first few seconds. Use large images and increase the font size of any text overlays in order to make sure they're readable on mobile. And lastly, make sure to include subtitles since most mobile users tend to scroll through their feed with the sound off. And speaking of subtitles, in the next part of this video I'm gonna show you a quick browser-based tool that can help you edit your LinkedIn videos and generate engaging subtitles in seconds. The video editing tool we're going to use is called Flixier. You can find it easily on Google or by following the link in the video description. Once you get there, you can click on Start Editing and then upload your video. You can see that there's a number of different import options here to make things easy. You can drag and drop the video from your computer, upload it directly from your phone using a QR code, bring it over from cloud storage, and more. After you upload a video, it will show up here in your Flixier library. You need to click the plus button or drag it down to the timeline to start editing it. You can use this menu next to the canvas here to quickly resize it to the 4:5 aspect ratio we talked about earlier. Feel free to select it and move it around with the left mouse button to resize your clip and adjust the framing until everything looks perfect. You can also use the timeline to easily trim off any extra footage from the beginning and end of your clip to keep things short and to the point. Next, it's time to generate the subtitles. To do that, we'll go to the Subtitles menu on the left, select Auto Subtitle, and click Start Auto Subtitle. Flixier will take a few moments to generate the subtitles, then they'll show up here on the timeline and on the bottom of the screen. The first thing you should do is use this menu on the left to look for any mistakes and correct them. The AI transcript is pretty accurate, but it can make mistakes. Then it's time to customize your subtitles. The easiest way to do that is to use the Style and Subtitle tabs to apply a preset look and animation to your subtitle and make it more engaging. You can also resize your subtitles easily on the screen to make it easier to read on mobile devices. If you want to upload your subtitles separately alongside your video, you can save the subtitle file to your computer by choosing the SRT format and clicking the download button next to the drop-down list. Doing this can be better for video SEO, but keep in mind that the captions might not be toggled on by default and they won't retain any of the customization and animations you applied to them if you go this route. There's a lot more you can do to improve your LinkedIn videos with Flixier. You can add title text to the screen, customize it, and animate it using transitions. You can also use the audio tab to find non-copyrighted background music that you can add to your videos for free to keep people engaged. Or you can use our AI audio enhancer tool to remove any background noise from your voiceover and improve speech clarity. We go through each of these features in detail in other tutorials on our channel, so feel free to check those out if you want to learn more. We're also going to drop some links to them in the video description. For now though, we're just going to hit the export button in order to save the video to our computers. Choose video as your format, and in a couple of minutes Flixier will process the video and save it to your computer as an MP4, which is perfect for LinkedIn posts as well as LinkedIn video ads. And this is how you can create an engaging LinkedIn video in just a couple of minutes. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and feel free to check out the rest of our channel for more video content creation tutorials. Until next time, happy editing!